Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add signature on your PDF file. So I am going to make a quick tutorial on it, so let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already landed in adobe.com Acrobat Online Sign PDF. You will find out this website by searching this word Adobe Sign PDF, and they will give you the option in a second. Here you just click over here and they will redirect to you that place. So just click over, select a file. You can do it this way, or you can make an account and then you can sign your PDF. So let's select a file, then go further with the option, just select it, and it will take a while to upload it at that page. And once the upload has been complete, then we can go further. So we need to be wait. So after uploading our PDF file, we will have on more steps. So we need to create an account over that place. So I will go with my existing Gmail account, then click over here, continue. The process is very simple. Once I complete everything, now it will redirect me to another page, and you can see it is reloading every time, and then we need to wait a while again, and you can see our interface is ready for us. So here we can upload our signature over the place. So just click over here, add signature. So here you can see we have an option for type, we have an option for draw, and we can upload our signature. We can take it and then upload it here. So let's click on draw and search for, this is our signature, or you can write it by your typing. So it's totally up to you how you are going to upload it. So I am going to make it on that place. So you can see how much easy that place works. So now our signature has been uploaded in our PDF, and now we are able to download it perfectly. So the process was really quick and simple. I hope this video will help you, and if you think this video is really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.